Hello and welcome to another episode of Cloud Ops Central. My name is James and today we're going to demo Zendesk. As a help desk agent, you might be tasked with opening tickets, solving issues, closing tickets, sending a response. Again, I'm James with CloudOpsCentral.net, where you can do all things cloud, IT, help desk. You can also visit my personal website, jamesking.info. You can look at my certifications. You can also look at my portfolio. Let's get started in this. I got an email message Friday night on my phone saying, hey, we need you to take care of multi-factor authentication. So I looked at it and it said urgent, but it also gave me some time to finish it up. So I didn't rush because I was on vacation. So let's go ahead, go today to our tickets and look at our tickets on Zendesk. We have them and I see one that says urgent, normal, 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 low, normal. We know that most of the time we want to do something urgent, especially if it's from the IT director or a senior official. So let's go ahead and click on it, open it up. It says, please enable multi-factor authentication on all accounts, past, present, and future as well. Thanks. Get this done ASAP, please. Well, first of all, we can certainly do the past and present accounts. If they're past, they're going to be present as well. Future accounts will be done in time, so let's go ahead and get that done. I'll be back when that's done. All right, I was able to finish that, and now I want to reply to the IT director, let them know that it was finished, so I can go ahead and tell them what I did by doing notes. I'm also going to put my notes over here as well. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is greetings, and make sure you spell it right, especially when it's going to somebody in the up position. Say greetings. I received your IT ticket and have resolved all current accounts and will make sure all future accounts have MFA multi-factor authentication as well. And again, please make sure you spell correctly. Authentication as well. Here are the steps I took. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and list my steps. I do want to give myself a little more space, so I'm going to list those steps and you can go with me. So here are some of the steps I took. Number one was reviewed admin settings, logged into Zendesk, admin center, and navigated to security authentication. The next thing I did was I enabled multi-factor authentication requirements, turned on require all agents and admins to use MFA under authentication. Sorry about the little Grammarly. Let's see if I can close that out real quick. Okay, I was able to get that closed out. Um, Step number 3, we verified user compliance. Checked all agent admin accounts to confirm MFA was enabled and prompted where necessary. Step number 4, tested access. Of course, I accessed it on my own account to make sure it was correct, and also asked one of my workmates to try it. It worked for them, and then I confirmed the completion. verified all users were updated and communicated MFA status back to IT leadership. So if I wanted to, I can go ahead and copy this, put it over here in my notes for future reference now. To close out a ticket, oh, and before I go, let's go ahead and tag this with MFA updated. And we just want that for our own personal reference. The due date is really going to be ongoing because the new accounts will have to be uh, set up to MFA as they are open. So now that we are finished with this, let's go ahead and go over to solved. We're not going to do pending. The manager knows that the issue is going to be solved. It's solved, submit as solved, and done. So now we have closed out a ticket in Zendesk, and that is simply how you do it. This has been a video of CloudOps Central. This is going to be listed under the Help Desk section. If you enjoyed this video, you want to follow along and learn more, please like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for enjoying my video and have a good day.